In a world that feels like it's always moving faster than we can keep up, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Anxiety, stress, and uncertainty can quickly become a part of daily life. But what if I told you there was a way to find calm, no matter what life throws at you? What if a 2,000-year-old philosophy could help you build the resilience, clarity, and peace of mind you've been craving? Welcome to the world of Stoicism. Stoicism, founded by Zeno of Citium in the 3rd century BC, is a philosophy that teaches us how to live virtuously and how to respond to the uncontrollable events of life. Its core message is simple: focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. While it originated in ancient Greece, Stoicism's practical wisdom is more relevant than ever today. Over the next 30 days, we'll explore how Stoic principles can guide you to a life of inner peace. On day 1, let's talk about perspective. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic emperor, often reminded himself that challenges were opportunities for growth. Stoics believe that how we perceive a situation shapes our response to it. If you encounter a stressful situation, instead of seeing it as a burden, try reframing it as a chance to practice resilience. Start each day by journaling for 5 minutes. Ask yourself, what can I learn from today's challenges? How can I view setbacks as opportunities to grow? Shifting your perspective is one of the quickest ways to find peace and stay grounded. Day 4 brings us to a core Stoic principle: control. Epictetus said, "We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them." Life will present challenges, some of which we have no control over, like the weather, others' actions, or unforeseen events. But we do have control over our reactions, our mindset, and our decisions. For the next few days, focus on what you can control in each situation. When faced with frustration, pause and ask yourself, what's in my control here? How can I respond wisely? With this shift, you'll find that many stresses are self-imposed. From day 8 to 14, it's time to deepen your practice. Stoicism is all about living virtuously. The Stoics believed that living a good life comes from cultivating wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. For example, when you act with wisdom, you avoid impulsive decisions. With courage, you face fears and challenges head-on. Justice means treating others fairly, while temperance involves self-control in all areas of life. Start each day by setting an intention to embody one of these virtues. Whether it's showing kindness to a stranger or having the courage to say no when necessary, small actions can add up to a big change. By focusing on these virtues, you develop the inner strength needed to handle any situation calmly. Now, let's talk about negative visualization, a Stoic exercise that might seem unusual, but is incredibly powerful. The Stoics practiced imagining the worst-case scenarios to prepare themselves for life's inevitable challenges. By contemplating the worst that could happen, you lower the impact of fear and anxiety, and when things go well, you feel a deep sense of gratitude. For the next week, take time each day to mentally prepare for potential challenges. This isn't about being pessimistic. It's about acknowledging what's outside your control and recognizing how much better your life is than you may realize. During days 22 to 26, focus on building emotional resilience. The Stoics taught that we shouldn't let our emotions control us. Instead of reacting impulsively to anger or frustration, we can pause, breathe, and choose a more measured response. In practice, this means not letting external events dictate your emotional state. Take note of your emotional triggers, and when they arise, pause for a few moments before reacting. This small practice will slowly help you regain control over your emotions and improve your emotional well-being. As you approach the final days of your 30-day journey, it's time to practice the ultimate Stoic principle, acceptance. The Stoics believed in accepting what we cannot change. We can't control the weather, the economy, or the actions of others, but we can control how we respond to them. This is about letting go of the need to control everything and finding peace in what is. Over the last few days, practice letting go. Whether it's a past mistake, a regret, or a worry about the future, embrace the freedom that comes from focusing only on what you can control. After 30 days of Stoic practice, you may find that the chaos of life doesn't shake you as much. You've reframed your mindset, practiced virtue, built emotional resilience, and learned to let go of what's outside your control. The path to inner peace isn't about avoiding difficulties, it's about how you respond to them. Stoicism empowers you to live a life filled with clarity, resilience, and, most importantly, peace. Start your Stoic journey today and see how these principles transform your life. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing how you're applying Stoicism in your life. And remember, true inner peace comes from living in alignment with your values.